Well, it's March 1st. We had some snow last night, so I'm kind of hoping this isn't a bad idea, but I guess we'll find out. Case is earning her keep today doing manure duty. We got about 30 chickens here, and it's probably been a month or so since we did their bedding. Once it gets really bad in here, we'll start cleaning up their bedding. Yeah. This coop we built probably close to, I don't know. I think we built it in 08. Wood floors are still good. I'll get it cleaned out for them and they'll be nice and happy. I think it's been a month. Maybe it's only been 2 weeks. I don't know. We've been having a lot of wet, rainy days, so when they have a wet, rainy day, they come in and it's like they wipe their feet off on a doormat, and it just gets real muddy in here. So it's not even that there's a lot of poop on the ground, but it's just more so mud from their run outside. We'll get some of this scooped up and cleaned up and dump it out in the garden and spread it around a little. Some natural fertilizer. Remember, folks, keep calm. These guys are like our pets. We've had them so long. And you can't really, we've tried butchering some of them. You can't really butcher them. Mostly because it's a lot harder to do it after a while, since they're more so your pets. But second off, the meat's real tough. For a laying bird, they don't grow as fast as a meat bird. There it goes. So we did try it once, but it's a lot of work. So we just, if they're older, we just keep them around, keep them happy, keep them fed. Yeah, some of this stuff under here where the roost is was starting to get a little... Whew. I gotta shed this outer coat. This coop keeps very warm. It's normally about 10 or 15 degrees warmer in the winter time in here than it is outside. And then in the summer it's probably about the same. It's maybe about 10 degrees warmer. But we got all sorts of ventilation in here for the summertime. The winter time, they mostly keep it warm. We got 30 of them, and I don't know, it's bigger than, I think it's about 7.5 by 9 or 10. Yeah, I think it's about 7.5 by 10, 8 by 10. So there's plenty of room for all 30 of them. There's a lot of room for all 30 of them. That, and we got 2 nest boxes hiding on the wall here, so they can roost there. They can roost on all 3 of them, actually. That, and we got a little roost there set up for them, and a little roost over there set up for them. So they don't ever feel cramped in here. There's a lot of room for all of them. Wow, is that heavy? It's just really wet. Oh, there it goes. Oh, wow, is that heavy? So any of you guys thinking of getting chickens, gotta always think of this. You gotta think of where you're gonna put all the poop. If you have a little garden, then that's fine, but you gotta find a space. You can't just dump it in a creek. So I'm gonna get this cleaned out, put some fresh straw for them. I'll see you next time. Alright. Come on in, you got nice clean bedding. You've been outside for 20 minutes. You're not that hungry. Ooh. Yeah, they like the clean bedding. By tonight, I won't even notice that I changed this because they're going to have it so trampled down, they'll take all the fluff out of it. Especially with chickens, well, any poultry really. Got to have good manure management because these guys spread a lot of diseases through their manure. Clean it out once in a while, it keeps all that stuff down. I haven't really had too much of a problem in the past. So, until next time, maybe we'll work on something mechanical instead of some chicken manure. See you later.